Student Events is free programming for students, whether it's around campus, remotely, things for students to do to get involved outside of the classroom, because we know that it's important for students to have fun while on campus and do things to take a break from studying. And so now we're kind of just thinking of ways to how do we keep students engaged and having fun, but in a remote type of environment. So we held high school musical trivia last week, and we did it through Zoom, and we used Kahoot, and we asked the same questions that we were going to ask in person at the event, but we just transitioned to an online format. Jackbox nights, so playing the game Jackbox online through Zoom. We've also started a virtual book club, a way for students to kind of take a break from their studies and things that they're reading for their classes and read something different and engage with other people through conversation. If students are looking for an avenue to sign up for those type of things, there's Student Life Weekly, the text messages, and social media through Facebook and Instagram. We know that times are tough and there's a lot of things going on, but we're just kind of trying to provide that little bit of something to look forward to and some sort of fun to be able to give to students, but then also for students to give up to other people.